outside. You can bring your ball. You want to see it? You want to sit in the front seat, buddy? All right, I guess you're staying in the front seat. All right, so good news. The bikes are all completed. Got Charlie with me here today. I guess he wanted to bring his ball with him. That's all right. Get some eye boogies out. All right, we're heading to Preston Hollows. It's like a 20-minute drive. We'll bring the bikes back, and then we'll probably start working on the FJ. So I think it's about a 20-minute drive. Oh. Oh. Let me see. Man, I'm good. 21 minutes away, if you guys can see that. So we'll go get the bikes and then start the rest of our day. It is hot today in Dallas, everyone. 97 degrees. But Charlie probably still wants a window. Let's go. We've made it to the shop. All right, it's 99 degrees now, so I'm gonna leave Charlie in the car with the AC blasting. All right, buddy, I'll be back, okay? Do not drive off the car because the car is on, all right, buddy? Don't drive off with the car. All right, I trust you. Yep.
Grab back and get the salad now.
Bruh. Yeah. Okay. Time to go back home. Surprise, Charlie, we're at the park. It is 100 degrees out though, but we're at the park. We'll stay here for like 10 minutes, okay? We're just gonna exhaust you. That's the whole point of this. And it looks like there's some dogs there. Ooh, yep, there's a dog there, but it looks like they're leaving. This guy brought like 6 dogs. Come on, Charles. Let's go, buddy. Woo. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. We can play. We can play. Let's go. Oh, what's up, guys? he found a husky friend.
Oh, already?
Oh, there's only one dog, so. So right now we're at a dog park in Carrollton. It's about 5 minutes from the house. But I usually don't like bringing Charlie here because there's not really a path for me to run on. And I noticed with Charlie that if I'm not constantly moving, then he kind of gets in trouble with other dogs because he likes to start shit. And then what happens is, oh. Hi, buddy. You look like a sheep. You got some wool on you, buddy? He basically likes to start fights with other dogs, but not in a bad way. He just plays a little rough, and then the other dogs will play rougher with him, and then they will create some problems. He's a lot better now. He is my first dog, so I am trying to learn all this. But there he goes. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, wait, yeah, somewhere there. Oh. What's up, buddy? All right, he's happy. He's happy. And he poops. Sensor. Sit down, stay. Boy, Charlie. Alright, so one of the cool things of living in Texas, oh man, that bro, I'm trying to record a video. Anyways, one of the cool things of living in Dallas is that there's a Summit racing here. Right now, I can't find anywhere to get a new filter, and Toyota wants an arm and leg for one of these, so might as well go pick up an AFE one, and I can save on shipping and get it from Summit. So they said they have it in stock, and I've never been here before, so this is an excuse to go. So let's go check it out. This place is pretty crazy. Man, they have a lot of cool stuff here. They even got puzzles. You got a Firebird right there. You guys ever wonder when you return something and where it goes? It goes to something like this. Yep, right here. We're good to go. I'm gonna do a quick parking lot install. Because if you want to look at the old one, how dirty that is, how natty. Yeah, like this one is like disgusting and like deformed and everything. This is a new, pretty expensive one. AFE. Thank you, babe. This is from yours. That looks all pretty. So right now we're just missing the covering for this because this has a snorkel, but I left that at home. But at least we have a better filter on than this piece of crap. So much better. Looks much better. All right, now it's time to go to a dog park and then go home.
Oh, that part's too loud.